Hi, it's Hannah, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to do these bright and fun pixelated rainbow nails. So let's get started. First, apply a base coat to your nails. Then apply a white polish for the base color. So I just got my Salon Series brush pack from Mitty, and these are totally my new favorite nail art brushes. I highly recommend them. Be sure to check the description for a coupon code and link to where you can purchase if you're interested. I'll be using the 3mm brush and red polish to draw sort of a staircase going diagonally on the nail. Now I'm going to draw small boxes and fill them in. It's okay if it's a little messy because you can just fix any uneven lines with the other colors. I'll be doing the same thing with an array of colors that include pink, purple, blue, green, orange, and yellow. You can use acrylic crafting paint to do this as well. Acrylic paint is a bit easier to work with since the formula is thinner, but I just didn't have all the colors I wanted, so I opted for regular polish. Also, this design can be a bit time consuming, so either plan to have some time for it, or you can always just do an accent nail, which would look great too. Once you're all done, apply a top coat for a nice glossy finish. If needed, don't forget to clean up around the nail or fix any uneven lines. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to find me on social so you can tag me all your nail pics. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!